it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So it's time to go over the must-do deals for Walgreens next week and get ready for the beauty event. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any amazing ways to grab some savings. So earlier this week, I did a Walgreens haul and let you guys know we're trying to get as many register rewards as possible so we can use them in the beauty event. So I wanted to post this video tonight because tomorrow night I am going to be posting the different scenarios for the beauty event. So I'm going to give you tons of different scenarios with digital coupons, some paper coupons, you name it. That way we can make sure that everyone has a great scenario they can do to take advantage of this amazing event. It is my favorite thing that goes on at Walgreens, and it's how I can replenish my points on my account so I can use those, of course, for future transactions to keep my out-of-pocket super low. So we're going to look at the must-do deals for next week. Some are going to be beauty, some are not. So it's up to you whichever ones you want to take advantage of. There is also that spend 20, get 10 times everyday points that is still going on through next week as well. So if you want to do a transaction and scenario in the beginning of the week, I do have a scenario for you at the end, so stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So Scott, paper towels, toilet paper, and the Kleenex, they're all $5 each. And there is a Walgreens IVC coupon for $1.25 off. I haven't found any manufacturer coupons or printables. If you have some or you know of where we can get some, definitely drop a comment, let us know. Final cost is just $3.75. Now, that Walgreens IVC coupon, there is a digital version. It'll say $1.25 off with card. Any coupon that says with card is a Walgreens IVC coupon, so just keep that in mind. You can also find it in the Walgreens Book of Savings, which is going to be at the front of the store, next to where they used to keep the paper ads and things like that. I know they've gotten away from all of that to try to be a little bit more eco-friendly. Arm & Hammer, we have been getting some amazing Arm & Hammer deals at Walmart. If you missed my Walmart Ibotta haul, it was absolutely amazing, and we got 2 huge Arm & Hammers. So if you missed that, check it out. I will have it linked at the end of this video. So next week at Walgreens, you can also stock up, and it's buy one, get 2 free. And instead of it just being the Arm & Hammer liquid, the scent boosters are included, and the packs are included, which is amazing. You're going to grab 3 of the Arm & Hammer. You can mix and match between the liquid, the scents, and the packs. 2 of them are going to ring up free. So if you're trying to do a spend deal or spend booster, the $6.99 will count towards that total amount. The other 2 are just going to ring up as 0. So keep that in mind. You're going to use a $1 off coupon from the 8-2 Smart Source. There were also some printable from coupons.com, so check your dates, see if it is still available. You could use that one instead if you'd like. You cannot use coupons on free items at Walgreens. Last time I did, the other 2 coupons just voided out, so don't waste your coupons. Don't even try. They will not work. So just use the 1 coupon. You'll pay $5.99 for 3 or just $1.99 each. So not a bad deal to stock up on some detergent. Crest, we have gotten so many great Crest deals and moneymakers recently at Walgreens. This one is not a moneymaker, but it is giving a $5 register reward, which is a pretty high value and can definitely help us in the beauty event later next week. What you can do is grab 3 of the Crest. They are $3.99 each, and we're getting a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So you're going to pay just $6.97, get back that $5 register reward, making your final cost $1.97 for all 3, or just 66 cents each. Shea Moisture is the hair care and the facial care. They're both buy one, get one half off next week. And we're getting new 5 off of 2 Shea Moisture coupons, I believe, in the Retail Me Not insert. So what you can do, the cheapest item is typically the curl cream. They're between $3.99 and $4.29 depending on your region. So the second one would be half off of that. Using that 5 off of 2 coupon, you'll pay just 99 cents for both. And this does track towards Walgreens Beauty. If you have any questions about what counts towards beauty and what doesn't, you can always go on the walgreens.com website or on the app. Click on Beauty Enthusiast and it'll show you all the categories that apply towards beauty and what would count and track towards getting 5,000 points back when you spend $50 on Walgreens beauty items. Garnier Whole Blends tracks towards beauty as well because it is hair care. So they're going to be $3.99 each next week, and we're getting a $2 digital coupon, $2 off of one. So your final cost would be just $1.99. Not the best deal, but still some good savings if you need to throw that in. This could also be a great deal to do in the beauty event. Now, Almay and Revlon, such a great deal and some money makers. So they are 30% off with your card. So if it's $7.99 like you see in the slide, it'll ring in automatically as 30% off. So one example for the Almay is you can grab 2 of the eyeliners. $7.99 is the original price that it was showing online. In-store prices do vary, but I believe it's a similar price. 30% off of that would make them $5.59 each, so 2 of them is $11.18. We are getting some high value Almay and Revlon coupons in the Smart Source. So you're definitely going to want to grab at least 1 newspaper. I would recommend 2. I've already purchased a couple coupons online from the couponmarketplace.com. They do have them up and ready to go. And they're 15 cents each, so when I'm buying individual coupons, that's usually my go-to. I've tried a new one for the coupon insert, so we'll have to see if I can get those for the gain. I still don't have any gain coupons, so hoping those will come in soon. But back to this deal. So using 2 of the $3 Almay eye coupons, I haven't read the coupons as far as the limit, so I'm assuming you're able to use at least 2. You'll pay $5.18, get back a $5 register reward, making it 18 cents for both, or just 9 cents each. Such a great deal. Revlon now is also 30% off, and we're getting separate Revlon eye, face, and lip coupons. So the Color Stay Cream eyeshadow, it's those individual eyeshadows. They are $6.99, so 30% off would be $4.89. Grabbing 2 of them will bring you to $9.78. We are going to use 2 of the $3 off Revlon eye coupons, again, in the Smart Source insert. I'm so excited. I was just thinking to myself that we need some good makeup coupons. So for this one, it's going to be a moneymaker. You'll pay $3.78, get back a $5 register reward, making it free and a $1.21 moneymaker. So excited about that. Anyone can grab this deal. All you have to do is grab a newspaper or 2 on Sunday. I believe everyone gets the Smart Source. I know it's the Retail Me Not that a lot of places don't get, including myself. So I'm hoping this will be a very easy deal that everyone can do next week. So now for that spend 20, get 10 times everyday point scenario. Want to go over a couple tips with you first if you guys are new to couponing at Walgreens. Your total has to be $20 or more for the points to be awarded. So if it's $19.99, Walgreens is super strict. It will not work and you won't get the points back. So be careful with that. And that, of course, is before taxes. So your total has to be $20 as well after any Walgreens IVC coupons. So remember, the first deal I showed you guys in this video was the Scott paper towels and the toilet paper. There's a $1.25 IVC coupon. So if you're adding that in this deal, you would have to have a total of $21.25. That way, once the IVC coupon comes off, you're still at $20 or more. So hopefully that makes sense. You can pay with register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. You can also as well use digital coupons and paper coupons. You can use points. There is a way, and I will explain that in a minute for you guys as well. Okay, sorry about the beeping. My sweet potatoes are done. Okay, so this is the scenario that I put together for you guys. You would grab 3 of the Crest. They were $3.99 each, so grabbing 3 would bring you to $11.97. 2 of the Shea Moisture Curl Cream. They're buy one, get one half off. So one would be $3.99, the other would be $1.99. And 1 of the Garnier Whole Blends at $3.99. So your total is $21.94. So as it stands, we are good. We're over $20 and we'll get the 10 times everyday points back. What that equates to is pretty much 100 points per dollar spent. So if we're spending $21.94, we should roughly get back 2,100 points from this booster. So for the coupons, you're going to use the 5 off of 3 Crest Digital, the $2 Garnier Digital, and the 5 off of 2 Shea Moisture coupon. Make sure you have the digital coupon clipped for the spend 20, get 10 times everyday points. Everyone should have that. So make sure you have that clipped, double check. If it's not clipped, it of course will not come off. Total for the coupons is going to be $12. So here is the final breakdown. Total again, $21.94 plus taxes. The coupons were $12. You'd be left to pay $9.94 plus taxes out of pocket. Now, if you're a newbie and using points during a spend booster confuses you, all you have to know is you would pay the $9.94 out of pocket with cash, credit, or register rewards. You'll get back your 2,100 points and the $5 register reward, and you're good to go. If you're a little more advanced, I'm still learning how to use points during a spend deal, and I completely forgot in my Monday haul, you cannot pay with points if you're using a Catalina booster, that paper booster. But with spend deals, the way you can use points is, for this example, you would be able to use 1,000 points because $21.94 minus $1 in points is $20.94. So we're still over the $20 threshold. I know Jody Dunn explains it another way. This is just the way that my brain kind of understands how this works. The way Jody Dunn explains it is that coupons, digital coupons and paper coupons in the Walgreens system count as cash. So for this booster, you have to spend $20 of cash. So that's $20 in coupons or cash, credit, debit, whatever you're paying with. So if this scenario you have $12 in coupons, that's $12 out of 20 that's already taken care of. So you need to pay at least $8 in cash out of pocket. That would cover the spend deal of spend 20. But the increments at Walgreens is $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10, $20, and $50. So if it's $21.94, you can't use $1.94 in points. It would be $1 or $2. And if you use $2, you'll be 6 cents shy. So don't do that. It would be $1 in points. So hopefully I didn't confuse you guys. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Let me know. You will get back roughly 2,100 points from the booster and the $5 register reward from the Crest deal. So your final cost is $2.84 for 6 items. Not a bad deal at all. I wouldn't necessarily recommend using a bunch of register rewards to lower your out of pocket because you want to save those for the beauty event. Just wanted to share this with you guys in case you're not going to be doing the beauty event or if you don't get any of the boosters. And stay tuned on the channel. I will have a completely separate video giving you guys at least 3 or 4 scenarios for the beauty event that you guys can do using digital coupons, paper coupons, printable coupons, you name it. I did also post on my Instagram some amazing makeup and beauty coupons that are available to print from coupons.com. So if you don't follow me yet on Instagram, definitely head over there. Bree, the Coupon Queen, follow me there. There's a ton of additional deals and tips for you guys that you can take advantage of. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.